Hi guys, this video is created for you guys to know how to compute the current attack speed of your favorite character. First, write a function named current underscore attack speed that accepts an object's base AS, which means base attack speed, bonus AS for bonus attack speed, and level as arguments. So next is the formula to get the current attack speed. So the formula to get the current attack speed is base AS multiply 1 plus bonus AS divided by 100 to convert the bonus AS into percentage. Then multiply level minus 1. Then return current underscore attack speed. The next is create another function named ask user for details. So here in ask user for details, it includes the input function. So the input function is used to display the message to user. The message, for example, is enter the base attack speed, enter the bonus attack speed, and enter the level. Lastly is to create the main function. So the main function basically it controls or it calls another function here. Then it has print function which display the character's current attack speed. So here I input the round function here. It helped me to convert the final answer into 3 decimal. Then lastly, call the main function. Let's see if it's working or not. So the enter the base attack speed. So attack speed is 0.658. Bonus attack speed is 4. Enter the level 10. So the character's current attack speed is 0.895. So that's the final answer.